Click on the sketch, edit sketch, and we need to set this horizontal, so you can select from this pop-up menu, or on the left hand side on the property manager you can select horizontal. That adds the horizontal constraints, and this one as well, and this one needs to be vertical, so click on vertical, and these two lines needs to be parallel to each other, so while pressing the control key, select both of them. So multiple selections in the selected entities, there are two lines added. Now we need to add parallel. So they go parallel. And one more thing is that this line and that line has to be perpendicular to each other. So press the control key, select this line, select this line too, two lines selected, and then out of this add relations, we select perpendicular. So once that is done, and if you move it, they maintain these shapes. One more thing if you want to do is maybe what we can add this corner point to be at the origin. So select the origin point as well, select coincident, and the whole sketch is fixed at the origin point. It maintains the shape